Hey, welcome. Today we will just be making a sliding door, automatic sliding door. This will be a quite quick, easy and short video to follow. Okay, so first we have to create a new blueprint. So right click, go to blueprint class, choose actor, and then name it. I'm going to name it BP underscore sliding door. I'll make it, I'm going to change it Sci-Fi. Sci-Fi sliding door. Okay. Double click and go into it. Okay, now I want to add in a static mesh. And this one will be door. New combined. There we go. That's the door. And then add another static mesh. You can use any door you want. Another static mesh. This one will be door frame. For this one, there we go. Another thing we need is a box collision. Add box collision. Okay, the box collision, we can scale it up a little bit. Maybe say 5, let's see. Okay, just position it correctly. Make this 6. Make 6. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, on the box collision, by the details panel, you want to scroll down and you want to click on component begin overlap. Go back to viewport, select box collision, on component end overlap. So you need the begin overlap and the end overlap. Then out from other actor, you have to cast it to your character. So I'm using BP third person character. If you're using the first person character, you can use the do BP first person character or whichever custom one you're using. But for this one, I'm using the third person character. And then on component end overlap, the same thing. Cast to BP third person character. So you want it to be on other actor and not overlapped component, or yeah, so it's the other actor you need. Okay, out from here, I'm gonna do once. I'm gonna do this once. So I'm getting to do once so that when you walk into the box collision, it doesn't like glitch and open. It just opens one time, finished. And then it's not going to do anything else until you leave the box again. On component, you can say set timeline. We need to add a timeline. Okay, timeline is going to be door open, close. Double click into timeline, length 1, add a track, add float track, then right click, add key to curve float. The first one will be 0, 0, 0 time, 0 value. Then right click again, add another key to curve float. This one will be 1 for time and value 1. Okay, that's fine. Back to event graph. So from the do once completed, we're going to change it to play from start, and then end overlap, do once, after do once completed, reverse. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to add a sequence. Add a sequence. So when it's finished doing that, we will reset here. Add a sequence. Reset. So with the sequence, it's first gonna do once and then play from start. Then it will reset the one for the on component end overlap. Because if we don't have the reset, then you'll only be able to do it one time and it won't be able to be activated again. So by update, we're gonna set relative location. Set relative location for the door. Now by new location, right click and split struct pin. The new track, we're going to get a lerp. Okay, new track lerp, we'll put in alpha. Hold alt and delete the one that goes in A. Okay, now let's go to viewport. You can have the door going up or down, so I'm going to let it go down. So 210 should be fine. 210. Negative 210 on B. So B is negative 210. And then it is the Z that we want it on. And then that one will go into the Z. Okay, let's compile and save. See quickly. Now we go content, BP sliding door, put it in our level. Doesn't really matter which way we have it. Let's play and see if it's going to work. Okay, so it works. Here we go. We have a working door. I don't have the best kind of door. It was just the asset I got from Fab. There was no other one that I could download for free. So that's how you make a sliding door. Easy as that. You can, if you want it to left and right, if you want to change the direction, then you will just change either the X or the Y axis. Depending on, when you go to your viewport, you'll click on your mesh and you'll just see which one it's changing. So left and right will be on the X. Up and down will be on the Z. Okay. That should be it. A quick and easy tutorial to follow. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next one.